Hi all, Archana here. Welcome back. When we talk about temples, most of us do visit temples. Few of us visit temples to pray God, few of us visit temples to get that peace of mind because when we visit temple, we can spend time leisurely and we have that peace of mind especially. And few of us do visit to enjoy the art and architecture of the temple. So when I talk about art and architecture of the temple, let's discuss about Konark Sun Temple, which is in Odisha. So, this Konark Sun Temple is a 13th century Hindu temple uh, built in stone, that is black granite, and is one of the most amazing temple to visit in the states of Odisha, that is in India. It was built by the king Narasimha Deva I of the Eastern Ganga dynasty in 1250 AD. So, when I say it is Konark Sun Temple, yes, it is dedicated to Surya Bhagavan. The temple was constructed to resemble the huge chariot of the Surya being pulled by carved out of seven stone horses. This temple was once over 200 feet high and was called as the Black Pagoda by the European sailors because of its dark color. Today, most of these magnificent temples is in ruins, especially the Raj Shikhara Tower. Now, the main temple structure of the Sun Temple, which no longer exists, it was as tall as 229 feet, that is 70 meters tall. Now, this temple no longer exists. So, this is the main Shikhara Temple tower of the main sanctuary. Now, the remaining structure is nevertheless praiseworthy and is one of the finest examples of Hindu temple for art and architecture. Since 1984, this temple has been the part of the UNESCO World Heritage List and is important tourist destination in India. The Chandrabhaga Mela is held every year around the month of February. Thousands of Hindu pilgrims gather to celebrate this festival at the Sun Temple of Konark. When we talk about the destruction of the main temple structure, so some refer to the natural calamity and some say that it was damaged repeatedly by the Mughals, and some say the structural faults during the construction. Of course, we do not know what is the exact cause for the destruction of the temple. This temple was built in stone like a giant ornamented chariot being pulled by seven stone horses. So you can see not only when you talk about the seven stone horses, these are the seven stone horses. The large stone chariot wheels of the temple are these are the most notable and attractive features of the temple. So you can see the wheels are so huge and you can see the art and architecture of the wheels. So this chariot is got 12 pair of wheels representing the 12 months of the Hindu calendar. Each month divided into two cycles according to the Hindu tradition, that is the Shukla and Krishna. So when you talk about Surya, the Hindu god Surya is often pictured as rising from the east and transferring the sky on his chariot. So this temple is got it includes sculptures of musicians, animals, and various god and goddesses. So this is the the history of Konark Sun Temple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do enjoy this video, and yes, when I was going through, I really felt very interesting. So I thought I will share this with you guys. If you like my video, please do share and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Let's meet up in my next video. Till then, bye.